Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an ne kasngi ning kong kalapan pau ya kajing so kendit ba kajing sngokhya halor karukom jingya dei jongi officer katnat social welfare department ba ki self help group SHG ki batre ka kampen poi bat samar hapo ki program sorkar Habagran Shagilat Pathai Khubor Hashilong Press Club ka Assistant General Secretary ka Federation ka Anwar ba kala ong baki SHG kila trainer du ki snem ba min sha bat kila karshan ya bun ki program jong ka sarkar da ka bashim benta ha ka kamsam bat pen poimar ka Anwar ba kala ong ba ka Federation ka mi khmat ikis pangut ki SHG ha ka leng ka jila ki babun na ki kantup iki long kimi ki ba khlem kam bat ki ba shania ha ki ni ki kam kum kala jingyo jingrap ha ka jingim Haga basdangi kwa ban pen pau i ka jingiro i ka sarkar pedeng ba ka sarkar jila kibla ai kani ka jingkit khri sha ki SHG kani kala plelat ye bon ki long kimi ki ba khlem kam ban yo jingirap ha ka jingyo kamai jakpo la ong ka Anwar ba Andai kala keno ba wat la ka federation kala pen sngo bon sin i ka jing e ba kimat bakta i ka jingyo pisa ba jingya bet ka kam Andai ka tanat kam sham la shim kya bhai kini ki jing e Kalau ong ru bahagi jingerang baki officer la ai jingmut shaki SHG bakin eno eka kam na da kimla banyarap bankin namar ka jing e pisa. Karkum ka jinge thu jangka kini ki jinge thu kilong kum ka jingbam ken kor ka benta baki SHG kila shim ha ka jingya chaprang ki program sarkar ha ka kardan shnang. Hagaju kapor Vice President ka Federation UFG rani ulo ong babun ki SHG kila dep ika kampen poi bat samar hendrai hadu menta kimpat yo ika pisa ka bangsa na ka sarkar. Long ba ka jingpen slam haga jing siu pisa kalawan ra ika jing e pisa ka bakraw ya bun ki kinhun namar ki haban shim hi ya ka jinglut na ka benta ka transportation ka jing da ba ka jing ya bet ka kam. Ka jing e pisa ganang jurbat bun ki SHG kila sedang ban shem jing e ban beteng ni ka kam dan ru ki kinhun ki belajan syakta hadu bakin ha ban sa e no namar ka jing du pisa ula ong Urani ula pen pauru ka jing sokya bah ka jaka ban watlat ban penbet iki jing e dan ki officer ki lai jing mut bagi SHG kin sa e no dan kimla ban kin ki jing e pisa ka jing e kran kum kane ka pen i ka jing bam smok tho ba jing bam ken kor ka jing e kun jong ki long ki ka kadan shnong ibra trei borba ki program sarkar ula Wei pat udukhot ka Federation UH bo phang ula ong babun ki dukhot SHG kila pendon kam ni pisa jong ki hi bar kila shimram ru manna pendep ka kam kabla aishak Tarkum ka Federation dan ki SHG ki bela pendep ka kam na du kuma shisnem hendrai kim pan yo pisa ka bangsa kabla pelong ye bun ki dukhot ban ngat ka ram ba ka jing e ki kasam ke Anwar ba kala ong bawat lagi SHG kila pendep purai ka kam hendrai hadu menta kim pat yo kan gunu ka jing shngan ka sarkar halor ka jing siu ye ka pisa ka badangsa Bun nagi dekat SHG ki deki long kimi ki bakershan ya laki yang kesem klam ka jing siu ye ka pisa ka bangsa ki sham jing e ban siu ram ban pendap ki jing dan kam jing ka yang kesem kala ong Ka Federation kala kerpat ka Social Welfare Department ba ka Sarkar Meghalaya ba ken tuklar mador ban watlat ban penbet ya kane ka mat sha ba ka jing e pisa ka nang jur shu shu kila kerpat ru ka Sarkar ba kan ithu ka benta ba ki SHG kila le ban penbiang ka Sarkar ban pentikna ba ka buram ba ka jing yo kamai jok po jing kilong kmi ka kedan shnong kanong kabal yo jing da
In my capacity as the Assistant General Secretary of the Federation of Meghalaya Self-Help Group and Mahila Mandals, a federation that has been working since 2012 to support and represent all the SHGs engaged under the ICTS project and the Social Welfare Department to supply and transport the goods to the Anganwadi centers, the foodstuffs to the Anganwadi centers. At the outset, I would also like to express our gratitude on behalf of the Federation to the central and the state government for entrusting us with this responsibility, this job. This initiative has empowered the SSGs, the rural women, and also the unemployed youth at a chance to earn a living. Now, I want to state that the Federation has left no stone unturned, and we have met every official concern regarding the issues and the concerns that we were facing in hopes that we would find some solutions. But what is so disheartening, that when the Federation went to the Social Welfare Department, a concerned authority sitting at a high chair, she was consistently ill-advising us to leave the job if we are not able to shoulder the burden, the financial burden as SHGs. I will not name this person, for privacy reasons, but he has consistently told us to leave this job, and there are many SHGs waiting in line to replace us. So, completely disregarding our contribution as SHGs in this department. And we also, like I said earlier, the Federation has done its due diligence. Now, this is the last step for us to come here to speak to you, to the press, so that you can be the medium that can reach the government so that they can hear our pleas and our requests. Now, the details and the concerns of the Federation will be shared with you with these gentlemen who are sitting with me here today. Thank you.
About the main issues faced by the SHGs. The delay in payment, coupled with the costly updated transportation charge at a rate of 40 paise per beneficiary per kilometer per day, given by the government, has created a double burden and placed severe financial strain on the self-help groups, making it increasingly difficult to meet transportation costs, fuel expenses, labor charge, and other logistical commitments. As self-help groups operate across all districts, blocks, and ICDS projects in Meghalaya, the financial stress caused by these delays has become a statewide concern, affecting innumerable grassroots service providers. The Federation also expressed strong condemnation of the manner in which the Directorate of Social Welfare has handled the grievances of the self-help group. Instead, addressing the issue of long pending bills, an obligation that clearly falls under the department, the additional director blatantly advised the SHGs to discontinue the services if they could not bear any more of the financial burden, while further suggesting that replacement groups are already available if existing SHGs suspend their services. Such statements do not only reflect serious administrative failure and insensitivity within the department, but also perceived as an attempt to pressure and intimidate SHGs who have been faithfully implementing government programs at a grassroots level despite mounting financial hardship. In light of the above, the Federation urgently appeals the Directorate of Social Welfare and the Government of Meghalaya to intervene and release the pending bills before the commencement of the first quarter of 2026. The Federation states that the prolonged delay in clearing the pending bills has pushed many SHGs to the brink, leaving them burdened with debt, losses, and deep uncertainty, despite faithfully carrying out government responsibilities. The pain, frustration, and helplessness among the SHGs are real and growing. The Federation therefore earnestly appeals to the Government of Meghalaya to hear the voice of the SHGs and act with urgency and compassion to release the pending dues so that the dignity and survival of these grassroots are not left in jeopardy.
CM nilai pesan menaik memorandum nilai hak nilai appointment bani gendu kenang ini le ngimyo kono nung jing penting. Te hadir ni betul nilai directorate. Tinggal yo jing gendu bagi bahaya jeng tiga ofisi director assistant director. Tiga jingyo jingi ke kubur nanti nilai tanpa di jing arab nilai penuh. Te nilai kapoi memang dari jing kum pendong no kipin smi kipin ten man mani kibatre ngi mata do dak sedang menteri SSG do akjam nyo dangam bakla ila sai tat hadu menta nre dengan lej antai ban pan tingera pan pincai lo picing sa kibil la sisnen tenyale nre yo kiom ban ada kira film sola si menteri no kita buon di menteri tepung kita ki kubuang yo kalau pegang ngap penren di directorate ngasngoman penren hagen ngap korba hag jingshap kana ngelsen mingi kiblaya sekri ni bentaka office lagi bakunju dong aingu ikiba ki aikam mingi tanre ki penting itu semit menyangi dokumen tai te kata kowe te hadiahnya kata nilade panikendu ya direktor te tinglawan panikendu saya sempat kumai udeu Principal Secretary berdepet te kita ni kita pun ba wain sini banyara tambalong hadu kumta kam syai ba hakon bodur miara Te kaweru ngalaban sipun iya ne kalau kemudian sending ha kabade ban snai ke billing babun sin hado sausin basansin ngin snai tangwe ke bil kinwan return yang seni kin phone yang batun snai benta hado pamta kalalong nang long pamta lade summit gitu tahu hado pamta ha hado pengkalan ko ikapor te kalau kayak izin kok cuma departemen bopet nak kalian jum terpilih
jom ga arusau jom ga arusau di kota te kemudian adun dan kerja ini bil te kemudian di set grup bila jenja te naga pas kota jum arusau tu kisiu masjid te ya nega sekian kota kita ni yo dunga teka thap kota ru tasne nggak ada supply entah ka pur kota ru ni ada supply teni pakyo teka mot nega lihat juli nggak siam bahar jija teka wede pakai ka pas kota ru pelajar man ban supply tenai ni bisa ada sorka dalam siu no ya kini kita juli kita malu terdaw la persiap lu gila kelenti itu batu siam la sauna minta ndrei ka his jemki kamsem ai mo kami tentu tena terdaw ni don la bermui tena kata mi hapan watan itu pi ke ba ka ginga belum juga presiden pi USA
The pending dues as of now are from the fourth quarter of the financial year 2024-25.
How much?
To it, but the bills have been pending for almost a year, and the ones that they have released, being the first quarter and the second quarter that they will be releasing now, will be based on this portion tracker, the data that was launched, the app that was launched by the government of India. So now what the state is saying, what the directorate is saying, that they will only pay us as per the portion tracker, as per the beneficiaries of the portion tracker. But the rest of the money, they will not pay. The rest of the beneficiaries which are not enrolled under the portion tracker will not be paid. So, as SSGs, we have undertaken that work. We have completed the supply. We've completed the full indent 100%. However, now the government is not giving us any kind of reassurance that they will pay us the remaining sum of the money. Now it's almost been a year that we've gone without payment. So we are clearly in a lot of debt, and there are people, women SSGs especially, who are sole breadwinners of the household, and they are struggling. So now we honestly, through you guys, the media, the current budget, how much they've been allotted. So I can honestly say that I'm just an SSG member. I only transport and supply these goods. So with good faith in the government, we have fulfilled the Indian order. But now we've been told, and the payment has been delayed to a certain point where we're so helpless now. It was just one official from the directorate who has just ill-advised us that if we cannot shoulder this financial burden, that we can just stop. If we stop, she has 100 more SSGs behind to replace us. So meaning that she just takes us blatantly disregarding the work and our contribution all of those years. In fact, we are all equal stakeholders in this department, but she's just blatantly disregard us. So that is very disheartening for us. As per, baka state baka on can contribute 10%, ka central kan I-90, baka state kan fulfill kanya ko to, ka obligation chung kinaman mataki on bikin I only as per the portion tracker. Baka ya yani ka penyak tin kung ki SSGs. Minumdan profit, minumdan margin chu, ika should trade kumto kin, should trade daju, should trade durut. Kami ujung itu, tak kata.